Salam dear students, I hope you are fine and doing well. I am Nuraghanuri, Education Afghanistan English teacher. In today's English phrasal verb and also fifth lesson, I will provide you 4 useful English phrasal verbs. They are useful, you can use them in your daily life. So let's start the lesson. Eat and to. Eat and to means use something valuable when you don't want to. په تدریجي توګه مصرفول قرار کارول. For example, we had to eat into our savings since I lost my job. We had to eat into موږ مجبور وو چې په قرار مصرف کو په تدریجي توګه مصرف کړو. Our savings زموږ بقایات یا بچت since I lost my job د هغه وخت راهیسې چې ما خپله دنده له لاسه ورکړه. Eat up. Eat up means consume. Consume معنا ټوله استهلاکول یا مصرفول. For example, this motorcycle eats up petrol. I need to find new one. This motorcycle eats up petrol. دغه موټرسایکل پټرول مصرفوي. I need to find new one. زه مجبور یم چې نوی موټرسایکل پیدا کړم. Embark on. Embark on means start a project. نوی کار یا هم نوی پروژه پیلول. For example, the officials embarked on replanting jungles program in Helmand. چارواکو په هلمند کې د ځنګل کې د ونو د بیا کښېنولو پروګرام را پیل کړ. End up. End up means to terminate something. پای ته رسول، ختمول. She ended up her speech with a poem. She ended up د پای ته ورسول د ختم کړ her speech خپله وینا with a poem په یوه شعر سره د په یوه شعر سره خپله وینا پای ته ورسول.